Hello everyone, I'm Nias. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to read chart better and be consistently profitable with it. I'm going to teach you my method in which I use inducements and breakup structure to enter and exit. In this video, you will find a proper reason to enter the market and the proper reason to exit the market. This is the method I use. If it is useful for you, you can try it. I've taken a random week that is August 29, 2021. I'm going to analyze this week and show you how I will trade if I were present in that time. Before getting into the video, I want to tell you what is an inducement. An inducement is nothing but if you're in a bullish market, we are forming higher highs and higher lows. Before going and creating a new higher high, the market will do something like this. We'll take this low here, which will take this low and grab the liquidity around this area, and then we'll create a new higher high. This is a break of structure. This is a inducement or a liquidity grab. We are going to trade based off of that. Let's get into the video. Okay. We are clearly in a bullish market. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. The market may go to this place and then continue higher. We're not sure of the direction right now. We are in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see how the week unfolds. I'm in a bar replay mode. Let's start it. Okay. This is a midnight 12 o'clock, New York Open. This concept is called power of three. If you're an ICT student, you've already known this. What is the power of three? Basically, candle is forming. The candle is forming right here. It will first go lower to grab some liquidity, that is also called as manipulation, and then we'll close higher, and there will be a wick like this. If this is a starting point of the candle, we want to buy below and sell high. That is basically a power of three. This is midnight 12 o'clock of Monday. I'm going to mark that. If you're looking for buys, you should buy below, and if you're looking for sells, you should sell above. Okay, the Lana session is open. I trade two sessions per day, Lana session and New York session. We don't trade on the Asia session. When I come to the London session, I want to know who's in control of the market right now. We're clearly pushing higher. After which we consolidated a little bit, then we went higher to grab some liquidity, and then we broke lower. So sellers are in control right now. We are building a trend line liquidity here. The market might go into these lows. Let's see how the London unfolds itself. Okay, we took the Asia low. Then we came back. We took out this low also. Here we took a London highs. Have our supply zone here. See, this is a 15 minutes supply zone. We took out those lows, and then we are pushing higher. We're not in our New York session right now, so we do not get a trade. We don't trade during this time. Okay, the New York session has just opened. I want to know who's in control. The buyers were pushing higher. We are forming this trend line liquidity, right? The market might be interested in taking size these lows. We are all. When I come to the New York session, I want to know who's in control right now. As you already know, we are clearly bullish right now. See, we are forming lower lows and lower highs. The market might go down. The market we shouldn't just see the market structure. We should also see why the market should go lower. The New York session has just opened. We took out this high. See, that is an inducement. We induce those highs and then we led to the break of structure. See, so we have to sell here. Our stop loss should be above this zone. Let's say we are risking $50 for this trade. We have good reason for the market to go lower. One is this trend line liquidity forming. Another one is London low is waiting for us. Our TP should be, this is a 1:3 trade. Let's see how the market unfolds. Simple. See, market straight away goes there and took our TP. Here is our trade entry. Here is our stop loss. Here is our exit. What are the reason for entry of this position? We are clearly selling. Sellers were in control of the market. And after London, buyers took control. Buyers were forming this trend line liquidity. Retailers will be buying on this trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch. They will be looking for buys. But institutional traders will target those. We went into the POI. This is our 15 minutes POI. Instead of POI, we did two inducements. We took out this highs and we took out this highs also. And then we led to the break of structure of this low. That is Monday. First trade is done. Let's wait for Tuesday. If you notice this, we sold above this 12 o'clock candle and then we bought back below this candle. This is the power of 3 also. The goal of this supply zone was to take out this lows. We went below this so much to take out these lows. We took that. Now this supply zone has a liquidity point. Those who sold, their stop loss will be above this, right? So still holding, they will have their stop loss above this. So that will be a liquidity point right now. If you see clearly, it's a double top. Retails will be having their stops there. Let's see what the market does during the day. London has opened. Before London, we took out these highs. We're clearly pushing. See, we induce these lows to push higher. We induce this loss, push higher. Buyers were in control for pushing the market higher to take out these double tops. Let's see what the market does during the London. Market took out these double tops and then they gave a clear break of structure. So sellers are in control right now. This is our supply zone. Let's see if the market comes back there. This is our break of structure here. You should be looking for sells. The market took out this double top highs and then gave a change of character. That is break of structure. So this is an inducement and a break of structure. So we go to 15 minutes. This is our supply zone. Okay, here you got triggered. What should be our target? Our target should also have a valid reason. Zoom out, we have HDS low here. This is HDS low. We also have this trend line which is formed during Asia session. Let's see how the market reacts. We sold here almost near to the 12 o'clock time. We sold above the 12 o'clock region, right? This is our 12 o'clock. We sold above that. Let's see how the market reacts. The market did consolidate a little bit, then went lower. We're pushing higher again. We are taking out this liquidity, I think. Okay, we came back. We came back to our POI, took out these low, took out these highs. Okay, this was an inducement. See this. This is short lived. This is an inducement and the market went lower. This is our target. This is our target. Our target should be 1:2. The New York session started and then we hit our TP. So that's the second trade of the week. What did we do? We followed the inducement. We took out these highs. We gave a break of structure and then mitigation. We entered on the mitigation and we have a Asia low. These lows to be taken out. So we took a sell and then market sold off. That's very simple. Okay, let's see how the next day unfolds itself. The purpose of this supply zone was to take out this loss. After we took out this low, This became a liquidity. See, we have a trend line here. This could be taken out also. This is Wednesday. We come in at the London session, and I want to know who's in control right now. Read the price. We took out this highs, then we are going lower. This was an inducement to go lower. Another inducement to put and break of structure. So buyers are in control right now. Market gave a little bit of reaction to the downside after taking out this highs. Took out this low, then push higher. So buyers are in control right now. Okay, the market took out this low. We took the Asia high, and then this high was taken out, and then we gave a break of structure. So sellers took control back. We did not have a clear break of structure here. If you have a break of structure here, then maybe you have sold off. Break of structure has happened right now. We came in a New York session. I want to know who's in control right now. We took out these highs, and when we went, take out these lows, and then we started climbing slowly. We're reacting off this supply zone. We have these highs which can be taken out. Let's see how the New York Open is happening. Okay, we took out these highs as we told. We have this London highs. London high has been taken out. Yesterday we took a sell here, so this might be a liquidity point of today, which is a daily high also. Yeah. Market took the daily high. Let's see how it reacts. Super. Here market took the daily high, and here we have a break of structure. Now we should be looking for mitigation and then drop back. We took the break of structure. We took out this low. We pushed higher. Gonna sell here. After the candle closure, we sell. I have a stop loss above this. What's our valid TP? We have this trend line liquidity, and we have these lows. This low could be our target. This low could be our target. Will 1:2 is good for us. So I kept my TP here. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, market consolidated here a little bit and then came down. We almost took out this low, and then we are showing a little bit of reaction there. See, we took out this low. We took out both of these lows and then giving a reaction. Okay, it's outside the New York window right now. We are reacting off this supply zone right now. I usually don't hold trade after the New York session. I'll exit around this point because we have a break of structure here. Let me move my SL here to break even. Let's see how it does. Okay. If you have this low as our target, we'll hit our target. Market took out this low and gave a break of structure. It's outside the New York window, so I took my stop loss and placed it on the break even. Let's see how this day plays out. We're on Thursday right now. This is our new daily high. And we also have the daily low. London Open. We want to know who's in control when I come to trade on London. London took out these lows. Asia low. And then we went higher. So buyers are in control right now. Let's see how London unfolds itself. Okay, we took out these highs and we were consolidating a little bit and then we pushed lower. See another inducement. Push higher. So buyers are in control right now. Consolidation. This was a inducement. This was a consolidation. This was an inducement and push higher. So buyers are in control. What are the places they are looking to go? We have this equal highs that the buyers might be targeting. Okay, the New York session is open. The buyers took out these highs and then gave a break of structure. So I should be looking for sells here. Okay. As I've sold here, this position. This may be a little bit late. Exactly at the New York window, we are in the supply zone. So this is our supply zone. We took out these highs and then give a break of structure. There is an inducement. Break of structure is a confirmation, and then mitigation. We took a sell here. Our target will be these lows. Straight away the market went here. What happened on Thursday? Let's recap. We took out this low. We pushed higher. So buyers are in control right now. Consolidate a little bit. We pushed lower to this demand zone, and then we pushed higher. We took out these equal highs and then gave a break of structure, which is a confirmation for our entry. And then we gave mitigation to our supply zone. Then we sold here, and this loss is our target. We took out that low eventually. That is around 1:3. It's a good risk to reward ratio. Let's see what happens after that. Oh, we did not place target. Sorry, I should place my target around this position. Okay, let's move on to Friday. Here we forgot to draw our 12 o'clock candle. Here's our 12 o'clock midnight candle. As usual, we sold above. Sorry, we sold above and bought back again here. This is our new high. This is our new low. This is our 12 o'clock. This is our 12 o'clock candle. We should be buying below that and selling above that. Above this. We should be buying below that and selling above that. Okay, the Lana session is opened. I want to know who's in control right now when you come to the market. The market was consolidated a little bit and then we took out this and then we pushed higher. So buyers are in control right now. See, if you zoom in there, we have an inducement. See, this is an inducement. We took out this low and then gave a break of structure. So buyers are in control right now. Consolidation, inducement, push higher. Buyers are in control. So I should be looking for buys right now. What is happening here? Market took out these highs, took out this high, and then gave up. This is almost a equal high, right? This is almost an equal high. We took out the high and gave a break of structure, and then mitigation, and then we should have sold off here. But as overall structure, buyers are in control, so I did not get a trade there. This is another example: inducement, push higher, inducement, push higher. Okay, the New York. This is another inducement, push higher. We took out these lows, then break of structure. So I want to enter buys. What is the target for buys? This could be our target, yesterday's high, and eventually this highs could be our target. Let's see if you have entries. Okay, we came back here to this decisional demand. If you buy here, and our stop loss should be below this. Let's say we're risking $60. Our target should be above this. This should be our break-even point. Let's see what the market does. Okay. Okay. What is happening? We took out the highs and then we came. Oh, maybe there was a news at that time. Before going higher, if you see this candle, before going higher, we took this loss and then we pushed higher. We took out the daily high and then we gave a clear boom break of structure. This might be a news time, and then we continue to push higher. We took out these both of these lows. This was an inducement, push higher. This was an inducement, push higher. This was an inducement and then push higher. This is, let me draw it to show you. This was an inducement to push higher, and then this cause an inducement to push higher, and then we induce both of them and we push higher. Those are very powerful concepts. That's why you should always use inducement. Let's get back to what happened in the entire week. We got around 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 4 good setups. This may look clumsy, but if you go to a high time frame, you can see this was just a consolidation phase. The market was just consolidating from the high time frame. But if you go closely, if you go closely to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can see a clear pattern. If you analyze this video multiple times, you will know inducements play the game. Inducements are key to the market to push higher or lower. If you go to 1 minute, it will be more and more clear. I'll just simplify everything for you. First thing you should be looking for is inducements. The second thing you should be looking for is break of structure, and then maybe an imbalance, and you enter there. Enter. Your exit should be another form of liquidity, which is could be yesterday's high or yesterday's sorry, could be yesterday's high, low, or a trend line liquidity, or other session highs like say Asia session highs or lows, London session highs or lows should be your exit points. So watch this video multiple times, understand what's inducements, what's the break of structure and mitigation, and then you continue. This video has huge knowledge. Use it properly. It will definitely help you so much. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and share your friends. Thank you so much.